Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Tech Expert Rohit. I started the PCB design beginner to advanced level tutorial on my YouTube video, and my first video is the PCB design and introduction part. I already uploaded the part 1 video, and next this video I cover the part 2, the best software, creating a PCB for a circuit. Next, I will discuss about the best software. Now I use simply the PCBs for search software is easier. Now first we can start opening Chrome browser and so okay, open Chrome browser and search easy ETA. Okay, and next the first page is was PCB online PCB and so PCB click. You can design online also, and in this video I will download it option, the easy software normal version, not a professional. You can see the interface. Next download, and you can see the ECD edition pro version, ECD the normal version. You can see first ECD edition with the 64-bit laptop. I will upload and download it. So you can see already the 74 MB software. Okay, wait the downloading part. Next part I will show. Now, see the extracting file. After installing, you can see the ZDF file. Already the first interface. This is the, let's see, okay. First interface. This is the page, and now you are starting your own PCB. You started the PCB from that. Now I will show you the common library from CCS, etc. The common library here. And but you also the another library and others. You search your parts and keyword the last trigger. Later with the search option, your any component you can search here, and your component value also apply here. And also next part I will discuss about the very part to part circuit. And now the library, your common library also you are set. And first of all, you will create a first your project. Suddenly you will click the new project, and when the more help the tutorial videos I already my video also you see, but not a recommendation. Your tutorials videos do support. It's not. You can watch my video, but to part you can go off your PCB journey. And next, suddenly you are create a one circuit, and now you are doing the new project, and your project name is my first project. First, go to one project also, a circuit. So click, and your interface here is the commit, and this is the all your page and for your circuit. Next video, I will show you how to create a small circuit to the ECD software, and how to convert the circuit to PCB to convert, and how to upload the converter files. And next part, thank you. Please subscribe and share, and please visit my old video. Thank you.